Morning everybody, my name's Kelly, I'm from Preston Baker. Thank you for joining me on the property tour of 29 Balmoral Road in Town Moor. It's a fantastic 4-bedroom semi-detached property with off-road parking in a superb location, located very close to the town centre in walking distance. The DRI is just behind me here, excellent for any doctors and nurses in the area. Fantastic racecourse events just round the corner, town fields for all the children to play on, and in easy distance, walking distance to the town centre and to Doncaster train station. Excellent commuting from the A1, M18 and M62. So come and join me, let's have a look inside. This is the hall entrance with understairs toilet, through into the kitchen. Family size kitchen, modern style with shaker finish doors. A side entrance to the rear garden. Modern style island with granite finish work surfaces. Double range style cooker. Integrated dishwasher. Through into the utility area to the rear, which is equipped with washing machine and dryer, with a second external door to the rear garden, and through into the impressive orangery, extension to the 4-bedroom semi-detached property, which is quite versatile, which could be used currently as a study and also a playroom. Join me in this beautiful front-facing lounge with high ceilings, feature front-facing bay window which really allows the light in to this property, and beautiful feature log burner. This is the first floor master bedroom, again with high ceilings, double aspect windows, great space for wardrobes for his and hers, feature fireplace. Thank you so much for joining us at this 4-bedroom semi-detached property with a really impressive extension to the rear.